Hello everyone, this is Defense Politics Asia and broken news. The Iranian leadership, including the president and foreign minister, as well as a governor of the eastern Azerbaijan province, as well as a and an imam, and some other people within the helicopter has died. So all of them has perished in this helicopter crash that happened yesterday, and I wasn't able to do a report then. And they were also not able to, do the rescue. So when the crash first happened and first was announced, the Iranian emergency services have trouble trying to do this emergency do this rescue. Drones are unable to fly, helicopters are unable to fly because it was dark, it was foggy, the weather condition is horrible, and so they they are not exactly sure where it is. The drones were flying, they cannot see anything, and then it was too dangerous. And of course, it's because the weather was bad. That's why the helicopter crashed as well. So the people that died includes this is the Imam. This is Imam Muhammad Ali Alehashem. Now this is the president of Iran, Ibrahim Raisi. The foreign This is the foreign minister. His name is Hossein Amir Abdollahian, as well as this guy. This guy is the governor of the eastern Azerbaijan province, Malek Rahmati. So these four guys has passed away. As particularly important is the president and the foreign minister. Foreign minister usually is one of the highest ranking ministers in most governments, after the prime minister or the president of the country, or of course the deputy. So foreign minister, among all the other various like defense minister and whatnot, tends to rank very, very high. So this is a huge hit on the Iran leadership and their political stability. There are rumors about some Iranian people are celebrating, but I don't think it can be verified, because it can be propaganda. But definitely, those pro monarch, pro the previous royalty, the Iranian royalty, those people are celebrating in UK. So the situation is very bizarre. Of course, so many big leaders all die at the same time. Is a huge hit for Iran, and so you can see the condition was horrible. It was a very foggy and it was wet, and is very unwise to fly in terrible weather conditions. Helicopters are not really good with bad weather conditions, so a lot of people are speculating if this has anything to do with Israel. Is this something to do with this escalating covert war between Israel and Iran? Is not It's not very clear. It could be just purely an accident. It could be just very coincidental that this happened at the same time. But of course, nothing. No, we can't exactly know if it's related. If it was an assassination attempt, or whatnot. Whatever it is, Iran will have to deal with it. According to the information from Sulaiman Ahmed, a journalist or geopolitical guy on Twitter, or now is known as X, half a million followers. So he said that the next line in succession is going to be the first Vice President Mohammad Mokhber, and it's of course usually when you have a change of leader, you do not know where this leader actually stands. His posture, his position, whether he's someone very aggressive, very assertive, or he's not, or maybe he's more willing to talk, negotiate, and whatnot. We do not know. Whatever it is, once the leader is dead, a new guy comes, everything may change. So we might see a change in terms of the Iranian geopolitical policy. Internal politics, no point to talk about. They will have some control, of course, over the country. It's the geopolitical side of things. Will they reduce their covert operation, reduce funding, don't send arms to Houthis, Hamas? We do not know, or no, but maybe they would, maybe they wouldn't. Maybe the new guy will going to get more aggressive. I do not know. I don't know the guy well. It would take me some readings before I will be able to tell more about this. But this is the broken news. So anyway, just want to inform you guys for those that may not realize this is happening. Anyway, thanks for watching. Do press the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next update. And my condolences to the people of Iran.